Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I'm gonna teach you one of my favorite pastry decoration, edible honey glass. You can use it to decorate your cakes or your fine dining desserts. So let's do it.
You will need sugar, honey, water and glucose. The exact grams will be listed in the description below. And the process is very easy. Mix all the ingredients together and slowly bring them to 150 degrees Celsius. There will surely be comments asking if you can do it without the glucose, and I would not recommend it. Without glucose, the result will be cloudier, more fragile, and it will melt in humid air. If you don't have glucose, use something similar such as corn syrup or invert syrup. Once you reach the temperature, leave it aside for a few minutes to cool down so the syrup thickens slightly, and then you can spread it on baking paper, adjusting the thickness to your liking and leave it to cool down completely. And there you have it, edible honey glass. You can keep it in the container for days and use it as the decoration to your fine dining dishes.
And if you want to learn another fine dining crisps, check out this video and learn how you can make my Parmesan crackers at home. Thank you for watching guys, and I see you soon.